Welcome to solverfy.
Alright, so when n is equal to 0, this n naught is equal to a over pi power 1 over 2 power 0, and this is 0 factorial, right? And this is power 1 over 2. Also, this is equal to a over square root pi, and h naught of ax is equal to minus 1 power 0, and e power a square x square, and this is e power minus a square x square, and this is equal to 1, right? So hence psi naught is equal to n naught h naught, and a x e power minus a square x square over 2, and finally this is equal to square root a over square root pi times e power minus a square x square over 2. And when n is equal to 1, this n1 is equal to a over pi power 1 over 2 and 2 power 1 factorial, and this is power 1 over 2, right? And this is equal to a over 2 square root pi. And h1 of ax, so h1 of ax is equal to minus 1 power 1 e power a square x square, and this is d over d times ax e power minus a square x square, and this is equal to e power minus a square x square, and finally this is equal to minus a square x square and times e power minus a square x square times minus 2ax, and this is equal to 2ax. And when n is equal to 2, right? So when n is equal to 2, this n2 is equal to a over pi power 1 over 2 2 square 2 factorial power 1 over 2, this is equal to a over 8 pi each, and also this is equal to a over 2 square root pi over 2, and this h2 of ax is equal to minus 1 powers minus 1 square e power a square x square, and d square over d times ax whole square e power minus a square x square, this is equal to minus 2 plus 4a square x square, right? So hence psi of 2 is equal to n2 h2 of ax e power minus a square x square over 2, and this is equal to square root a over 2 square root pi times 2a square x square minus 1 times e power minus a square x square over 2. And when n is equal to 3, this n3 is equal to a over pi power 1 over 2 times 2 to the cube, and 3 factorials times 1 over 2, and this is equal to square root a over 48 times square root pi, and this is equal to a over square root 3 square root, right? This is 3 square root pi 3 square root pi over 4, right? And hence h3 of ax is equal to minus 1 cube e power a square x square, and this is d cube over d of ax cube, and this is e power minus a square x square, and finally this h3 of ax is equal to 8a cube x cube minus 12ax, right? So hence psi of 3 is equal to n3 h3 of ax e power minus a square x square, and this is d cube over d of ax cube and times e power minus a square x square, and this is equal to this psi of 3 is equal to n3h3 of ax e power minus a square x square over 2, and this is equal to square root a over 3 times square root pi, and this is 2a cube x cube and minus 3 a x e power minus a square x square over 2.